Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu with fish motifs printed, and we also have zari lines. Same red blouse piece with one side dark brown color, chocolate brown color borders. The saree is in beautiful burgundy brown, dark one, chocolate brown and dark one we can call, with closely printed fish motif designs. Very different block printing, and it is closely printed all over using white, half white base color, and the borders are in red base. Elegant one, different combination and very different prints with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey saree and grey pallu with white block prints vertically done along with vertical jari lines, and we have the same grey blouse piece, running color concept saree, and it is done in a beautiful half and half pattern. The top half we have plain portion with just the border design, and the lower half we have very elegant peacock pattern, Pochamballi kind peacock printed in the white base. Elegant saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a dark charcoal brown, almost a burgundy color pallu with block printed design, and same burgundy blouse piece, dark shade and very pretty one. And the saree is in half white with green tinge shade, and the printing all over the saree, two kind of printing. The base we have the tribal pattern printed, and along with that we have elephant pattern all over printed with a horizontal lining design. Multiple colors used here, orange as well as green, olive green color, and the base border of the saree is completely in burgundy base. Elegant one, very different and exclusive piece with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green, olive green shade pallu with prints all over the pallu with zari lines. Same olive green color blouse piece with one side a maroonish red color borders. The saree is in beautiful brick red color, elegant one, mild maroon and red mixed color, and you can see the borders in both sides with elegant printing design, the floral pattern on green base. Red and green is a different combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black pallu in jet black color with white prints and zari lines. Same black blouse piece. The complete saree is in black and white concept in this particular saree. And it's a beautiful creamy Tussar color, half white color base saree with the big temple border design. The temples are done in a floral pattern in black base. Very elegant design. We also have horizontal printing designs in the bottom of the saree. Very beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. And here we have a pink pallu and pink saree with zari lines in the block printed design in the pallu, and same pink blouse piece with one side block printed border. Complete saree is in single running color concept. Only printed version. We have half white, blue and green prints all over. Rotated and printed all over the saree with the border designs also printed in both sides. It's a simple and elegant and colorful saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful maroon and black pallu with zari lines and block printed vertical prints, and we also have black blouse piece here, completely black with zari borders. The saree is in full maroon shade with big prints, leaf pattern done in half white color, and we also have a very pretty border design in black and the zari borders on the black base itself, which gives a beautiful look to the saree. A black and red base with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful lavenderish pink color saree, almost lavender pink shade with same color blouse piece, one side block printed blouse piece it is, zari lines as we did to the pallu. Complete saree is in single color and it is a very pretty lavender and pink mixed color. Beautiful one. The complete prints are in contrast yellow and pink shades, and we also have white prints all over. Very different color, rare collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders. Done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful bright yellow shade pallu with block prints and as well as the zari lines in vertical way. And same yellow blouse piece. Very contrast saree, very beautiful combination. Grey completely the body is with the printing in yellow and white. The borders are also in yellow. You can see the combo. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful magenta pink saree, fully printed pallu with zari lines also, those zari lines. And we have same color, plain blouse piece. The complete saree is in same color, single color concept saree. Very elegant one with a complete plain base in the top and only in the bottoms we have the prints, floral printing. You can see the very colorful green and blue used for the flowers and white for the leaf and stem portion. Very elegant one, different color with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a pink and royal blue color pallu, mostly pink with zari lines and same pink color blouse piece. Very different shade of pink, a light baby pink shade, pink color it is, with beautiful and contrast printing on it. Royal blue is used for the flower printing and white is also used, and the border design is also given in white, blue and pink color. A mild thin border is also given in both side ends of the saree. Very elegant one, different one too with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a black pallu, injet black with vertical block printed design and zari lines and same black color blouse piece. The zari border is in antique color here, very apt for the black base. Very different little 3-inch border in both sides of the saree in black base, and the complete saree is in red with very elegant closely printed cream color designs, half white almost. Border design as well as body design printed using white color. Very elegant one, simple yet beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful maroon pallu with zari lines and same maroon blouse piece. It's a brownish maroon color. The saree is in Tassa base color. The starting of the pallu we have this beautiful purple and red floral pattern design, and the saree completely is in half and half pattern. The top half is completely the print used is purple and the lower half is completely in red. Closely printed all over design. The zari borders are on white base itself. Very pretty, classy saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black base pallu with floral block prints, and we also have zari lines on multiple colors. And here we have a dark maroon blouse piece with one side black borders. And the saree have a beautiful half saree concept. The top half is completely half white base, dull finish half white with the printing completely in black and red colors, maroonish red it is. And the lower half is completely in blue base. Very different concept, you can see. The lower bottom prints are continuing in the lower portion also, but the color of the saree, the top portion is blue. Elegant one, complete half saree model with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful purple color, purple pink mixed color with zari lines in the pallu and same purple blouse piece, and say we have the pink borders. A very colorful saree. The saree is in a royal blue in between. darker shade royal blue it is, and we have a stripes pattern in half white on the pink base in both side borders. We also have the Pochambali kind peacock design printed in the lower bottom model. Very elegant one, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful brownish rust color pallu with white block prints, and we also have zari lines, both done in vertical way, and we have same color blouse piece, plain one with both sides zari borders, and the saree is also the same color printing, half white base, and the printing is completely in the pallu color. Closely printed design, circles as well as horizontal, small stripes pattern done in the saree, and it's done in an alternative way. Excellent one, new design with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. And here we have a black pallu with coffee brown and color printing, black blouse piece with one side pink borders in it, contrast one for the body. This is a saree, deep pink color, deep to pink almost. First half is completely plain and the lower half is completely printed in two in a row. You can see the block prints are very different here. Peacock in a very elegant way, done in two colors, light brown as well as a dark coffee brown color. The borders are in black again. Very elegant creation with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red saree. The complete saree is in red, even the pallu. A fully block printed pallu. Excellent one. And here we don't have a zari border, a plain blouse piece. The complete saree don't have zari border in this particular saree. The whole saree have beautiful border design printed using half white, and the lower part of the saree alone have a temple kind design which is done in a floral pattern. Elegant one. The color is very awesome. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a dark red color saree, the same color pallu, yellow block prints, and we also have zari lines in the pallu, completely vertical, and we have plain blouse piece with the yellow borders one side, completely in running color, beautiful dark red with the yellow design borders, block prints all over, and border is also a yellow print here. Simple but very beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a dual color in the pallu, vertically rustic brownish orange color, and we have magenta pink. We also have the zari lines in the saree, and dark magenta blouse piece, contrast one for the body. Very beautiful and different colored saree here. Half white with a green tinge, almost Tussar color in a little green added version. And we have a beautiful design, a spiral version printed in pink and florals in the rest color. Elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, vertically two colors, grey as well as a dark royal blue, and grey blouse piece here with the royal blue border one side. The saree is a beautiful design. You can see the borders are in royal blue, and next to that we have grey borders, and the middle part is completely printed design with multiple colors, mainly pink, white and blue. Very different one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful dark blue and grey mixed color, a grey or blue shade you can call, with same color pallu and zari lines in the vertical portion, and we have same color blouse piece with zari borders. The complete saree is in same color, it's a running color concept saree with white prints all over the writing concept letters, Bengali letters and some designs, and we also have a border design printed using yellow. Simple yet very elegant and different saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon saree with maroon pallu, a striped pallu here, black stripes, and we also have block printed design in fish pattern in same color, plain blouse piece, maroon. This is a beautiful half saree model type saree. The top half is completely plain with polka dots design all over using black, and the lower half is completely a striped pattern with half white mango pattern design printed on it. It is a very different design, single color but a half saree pot pattern with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark maroon and a black in the pallu with zari lines, and same maroon blouse piece with one side black borders. The complete saree is in maroon and black shade. The staircase pattern printed in a very elegant outline is in a staircase pattern. It rises and lowers, and the red maroon is used for the printing lower part. At the top alone we have borders alone in the maroon base. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful rust color and a light greenish half white color pallu with zari lines and block printed design. And same rust, it's a dark brownish rust color, not an orange shade, it is in brown shade. And you can see the beautiful base color, half white with green tinge. All over the flower pattern is printed, multiple colors used for the flowers and leaves. And here we have a dark green printing, olive green and darker shades printed all over with the borders with the rust base color. Very elegant saree, different color concept with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful red saree with a red color pallu, and we have block printed design, the fish pattern as well as the zari lines in the pallu. The same red blouse piece. Complete saree is in red base and the Egyptian printing. The blocks are completely in the Egyptian pattern, whole printed design, and only in the lower half we have the top plain portion. Otherwise completely printed the same block. It's an Egyptian block. Elegant one, ethnic and very different collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful pallu in tricolor, red, black as well as white color, block printed design as well as we have zari lines, and red blouse piece, a contrast one for the body with the yellow borders. The saree is in a very contrast yellow shade. It is almost a mango yellow, mustard and mango mixed color, and plain in the middle, and top and the bottom we have the designs, that is block printed. Very elegant one, red and black used on the half white base, which is very pretty and visible, and the zari borders are on red base. Elegant saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a half white color pallu, very rare color for pallu, and we have prints in red and black. We also have zari lines vertically, and a very contrast black blouse piece with one side red border. Beautiful saree, very differently it's done. A classy half white, that's the color base, with the printing in red alone in the body, and we have a beautiful border design. In the lower half have a black base with excellent printing again. Elegant one, very classy looking, black and white with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black and red pallu with zari lines. Block printed design also in the pallu with plain black blouse piece, one side almost maroonish red color borders. The saree is in almost a half white with mild vertical coloring stripes pattern that is done in the shades of yellow and mildly red, and we also have the block printed design that is done in red and black. Beautiful pattern printed in the lower part, so very different very closely printed pattern on black base, white used for that, and again the borders are in red. Elegant combination, beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark maroon color saree with same color pallu, zari lines as well as green block prints is present in the pallu. Plain blouse piece in same color, completely in running color, beautiful saree. The prints are in very contrast green, a catchy, attractive green color. And here we have a shorter 2-inch border in both sides. Zari border is a shorter border, small one. Excellent creation with authentic silk pattern. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful royal blue color pallu with very beautiful printing design, and we also have jari lines. And here same royal blue contrast blouse piece is given with one side magenta color border. The complete saree is in magenta pink, excellent color with fully floral printed design all over with half white, and here and there a blue print is also given. It is a peacock design, and we also have the royal blue in the borders. Excellent one, very beautifully done, exclusive collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey pallu with zari lines and a block printed design in pink base, and we have beautiful grey blouse piece. Very different saree, contrast in nature. The color of the saree is also a beautiful one, half white with green painting design. Beautiful one, you can see here and there unevenly it's been printed. And we also have dark grey color printing all over, two different designs printed in the body with a border design printed in the both side borders along with the zari border. Very elegant one, very different concept, and beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful saree, the pastel shade, green and grey mixed color, very different green. Blouse piece is a completely plain one. The pallu have both half white as well as the greenish grey color stripes pattern. And this is saree. Saree is also in half white base color with mild green tinge, half white, and you can see the polka dot small design printed all over with a zigzag lines pattern done in both side borders. In the lower half have a stripes, horizontal stripes pattern as well printed. Elegant one, closely printed and very beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon pallu with zari lines and a black blouse piece with one side maroon borders, a very elegant pallu and blouse piece, a contrast one. The saree is in beautiful concept, horizontally a half and half pattern. The top half is completely plain maroon and the lower half is black with the Pochumbali design printed using half white and red colors. Very beautiful one, excellent design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a pink pallu with beautiful jari lines and same pink blouse piece, both sides zari borders. And here we have a very elegant light brown color base saree with big owl printing done in pink color. Very elegant one with green prints as well, floral pattern. The borders are in pink base. Different, rare collection, a trendy collection too with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful pallu, half white color pallu with block printing in grey and red, bright chilli red color blouse piece, very contrast one to the body. The body have beautiful work. Middle part is completely in orange paste with half white color prints, and the next part is red, and completely the border design is printed using half white base and grey and red here. Very elegant one. Even the zari borders are on half white base itself. Elegant and classy looking saree. Very exclusive collection with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a red color. It's a rusty orange and red mixed color pallu. Beautiful color, a goldish red we can call. Same color blouse piece with one side pink borders. Beautiful pallu also with zari lines, golden zari lines. The saree is in pink base with beautiful half white color printing, block printed design. There is a big mango design using blue and grey colors, and also we have a beautiful border design in the grey and white base. The borders are in red base, which is very pretty with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu with pink color, and we have zari lines and block printed design vertically. And this is a blouse piece in same running color with one side block prints. Complete saree is in single color, and that is in pink. Beautiful printing, small design. Three colors used for the block printing design, and we also have border designs block printed using white. Excellent and simple, beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful copper sulphate blue and half white pallu with village pattern block printed in the pallu, and same copper sulphate blue blouse piece. Contrast one for the body. The body is in green base color. Very elegant green it is. The shade is very beautiful. And you can see the different block printed design, Bengali pattern, forest and the elegant design it is with half white portion in the bottom, almost like a half and half pattern with very elegant lady with pot design printing. The borders are again in copper sulphate blue, and green and blue always goes very well with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful royal blue and olive green color vertically done in pallu. Dark royal blue color blouse piece with one side olive green borders. The saree is completely in the two shades. The middle part is completely green with the dark olive green color printing, and it's a half and half pattern saree. The top half is completely with blue and green printing with temple design, and the lower half have green portion more with printed design in the body. It's almost a half saree, modern saree, but in same color, so only the printing is different with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a two shade blue concept in the pallu, dark blue as well as light blue, and we have the royal blue to dark blue color blouse piece. Contrast one for the body. Saree is in dull finish half white color with both blues in the prints, two different printing, tree as well as a floral pattern. We also have the borders in two horizontal colors. The zari border on the dark base, and next to that we have the copper sulphate blue border. Elegant one. Black borders also, black prints also gives a beautiful look to the saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful blue and pink and very beautiful block printed design in the pallu. We also have jari lines, and we have same blue, Ananda blue this blouse piece. And the saree have beautiful horizontal splittings. Very elegant one. The top portion is completely pink. It is in a magenta shade, and the middle part is black with beautiful rose design printing using half white color, and the lower part is completely blue. The upper part is a bigger portion. Very elegant one, different with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a tri-color pallu. Vertically we have three different shades, greens in two colors and royal blue also with zari lines, and we have a royal blue color blouse piece with one side olive green border. The saree have beautiful color, mustard yellow and green mixed color, this mild green tinge, and you can see the both side printing design, forest pattern. Very elegantly it's printed using blue and green. These as well as hut you can see in it. Royal blue flowers add to the saree. It's a very contrast nature, very beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black pallu with jari lines and jari border. Same in jet black color blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body have very beautiful design. Half white base with brush painted design in the saree. You can see art design, very elegantly brush painted using yellow, blue and black. And we also have a beautiful printing design in the black also. The lower part is completely printed using a floral design, very elegantly, closely with red part. Beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful brown shade, very different brown shade, pallu with zari lines, same color blouse piece, fully plain blouse piece with zari borders over. Here we have a very different saree for the unique lovers. Here we have a very beautiful, very colorful brush painted design saree on base white. We have multiple colors and we also have printing design on it done using black. Very, very closely printed, very different design, randomly done with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful shades of brown, two shades you can see, choco brown as well as a light brown color with very elegant block printed design and jari lines, and the coffee brown, brick red we can call, the same color blouse piece. The saree is in white portion, middle, top and bottom we have the two shade brown base with the fish type design, the fish motif printed. Very different printing design, you can see Ganga Jamuna pattern. Top is choco brown and the lower part is a brick red. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful black and red color pallu with zari lines, and we have same dark maroon color, almost a brownish maroon blouse piece. Different color. The saree is in half white, dull finish, half white creamy color with multiple color printing. The top half is completely in that base and the lower half is having yellow mix as well. Closely printed rose design on it. The pink and black block printing design is also done. A beautiful closely printed saree with beautiful borders, excellent color combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. A very beautiful border and pallu here, completely acid washed boiled Tassa it is. This is the pallu of the saree with closely printed design, black, white and orange used for printing. And we have a contrast blue pallu, a copper sulphate blue color with one side grey borders. On the contrast, we have blue borders here and the body is completely grey with the printing design, the Kodi and floral pattern done using the three colors. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. We have a beautiful deep blue color, a royal blue color, pallu with jari lines as well as jari block printed design. Same blue, it's almost a Prussian blue here, darker than the royal blue color. Saree is in creamy half white, very elegant one, fully of fish concept saree. The small block prints are in small fishes design in black as well as in blue, and we have the lower part in a border design is also a fish pattern, very elegantly printed using black and contrastly in blue. Different one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful lavender color, rarely given in Tassa. Beautiful shade with same color pallu and jari lines and block prints. We have a beautiful pink and lavender mixed color, completely in same color saree. The blouse piece as well as the pallu are also in the same color. You see a beautiful design, block printed using yellow horse pattern, doll horse, We also have the zigzag lines pattern borders in both sides. Very elegant one, different color, rare combo with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black pallu with block printed design and zari lines. Same black blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body is in very beautiful blue and white concept, the Pochambali type printing design, and we also have black diamond shaped designs as well. You can see beautiful one, patch kind printed using black. Very different concept saree, beautiful and trendy design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey pallu with block printed design in half white color with zari lines also. And same grey blouse piece, dark grey color. And the saree is in dull finish half white with vertically a rusty orange color printed design, a Pochambali pattern. And we also have the border designs in the grey base. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Dual color pallu, mild orange color and yellow color in the pallu, vertically with block prints and zari lines, and we have same rusty orange color blouse piece. The saree is completely in Tassa color, half white, and we have two different designs printed all over the body horizontally. Black and red is used for the printing, and we also have the border designs in black. The basic border, the zari border, is on yellow color base. Very different collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful Ananda blue color pallu with dark blue color prints, zebras as well as the floral pattern is printed. The very contrast brownish green color blouse piece. The saree is in light green tinge, light pista green tinge, half white, with printing completely done using very different green, that is an olive shade, and we have the borders in blue and the blue color. Differently, the zebras are dog design is printed in the lower half of the saree. It is done using dark blue, very elegant stuff with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. So we have a very beautiful pallu, green in a very different shade, elegant pallu, mustard and green mixed color, and same color blouse piece, plain one. The pallu have beautiful zari lines as well vertically, and the saree is also in mustard yellow with mild green shade. Very elegant one top, and the bottom we have the yellow base with mudra design, the kalamkari mudra pattern, elegantly printed with half white and red color. Very beautiful one, simple and elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. So we have a beautiful red pallu with block prints in on half white base, red and black used for the block printing, and zari lines, and same red blouse piece. Saree have multiple block print design used. You can see the borders on the red base, and again we have a border design that is done using black. Next to that we have a block printed design on white base. The complete saree is on half white base, and two designs are printed in red and as well as black. Very differently it's being done. It's excellent and exclusive design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. So we have a beautiful dark red color pallu with zari lines, beautiful gold zari lines, and same color blouse piece, plain one. The saree is in very beautiful half white base with mild pink tinge, and the saree completely having beautiful prints all over using the red. Multiple prints are used here. The grey prints are also greyish green color prints in the top, and completely border pattern design in the bottom. Excellent one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. We have a beautiful purple saree, a violet and purple mixed color. Very beautiful one with block printed pallu, and we also have jari lines and plain blouse piece. Single color saree, completely in single running color. Very elegant one. The border design as well as the block printed butta design in the body is done in half weight. Elegant, simple and beautiful with authentic silk work. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful green pallu with zari lines, almost a bottle green shade in a lighter version with very beautiful same plain blouse piece. Pallu color, contrast one to the border and the body. Body is a very different color, multiple colors, brush painted design. You can see rainbow pattern, completely hand painted design on the base, and on it the black color is used for block printing. Very elegant one, very different and trendy design too, with the borders in the pallu color green. Elegant, and it comes with authentic silk work. Thank you. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon and orange color pallu with jari lines vertically, this alternatively given, and we have a line, a brown color, almost a brownish pastel color pallu with one side maroon borders. Very different combination. The pallu, blouse piece, everything is in contrast nature, and the saree is in orange color base, and the printing is done in the lower half. Beautiful floral, kalamkari kind printing design, and next to that we have the horizontal orange and red, as well as the borders are in the brown base. Very different concept saree, colorful one with authentic silk.